Hi everybody, this is Bahar speaking, your English teacher. I want to read you a poem tonight by my favorite poet, Charles Bukowski. Hank, this is what I call him. If you hear us, please rest in peace and know that I love you so much. The name of the poem is Bluebird, and I'm sure that most of you know this poem. Let me try. I can't just try because it's hard to express what he really feels inside. There's a bluebird in my heart that wants to get out, but I'm too tough for him. I say, stay in there. I'm not going to let anybody see you. There's a bluebird in my heart that wants to get out, but I pour whiskey on him and he has cigarette smoke. And the whores and the bartenders and the grocery clerks never know that he isn't there. There's a bluebird in my heart that wants to get out, but I'm too tough for him. I say, stay down. Do you want to mess me up? You want to screw up the works? You want to blow my book sales in Europe? There's a bluebird in my heart that wants to get out, but I'm too clever. I only read them out at night sometimes when everybody is asleep. I say, I know that you're there, so don't be sad. Then I put him back, but he's singing a little in there. I haven't quite let him die, and we sleep together like that, with our secret pact. And it's nice enough to make a man weep, but I don't weep. Do you?